It's me, Mommy Cherry, for our Bisaya time. Let's start. Those foods or ingredients we use in our kitchen. This is the onion or sibuyas. Our garlic, ahos. Ginger, luya. We have the bell pepper or atsal. And we have our chilies, sili. And the most controversial ingredient in the Philippines, salt, asin. That's all for today. Bye.